something I got for Easter, like these boots. They're fuzzy at the bottom, and they have they're like blue fabricy at the top, and then some tights with a skirt, jacket, and a shirt underneath. So the sign is nature the tree with leaves growing. That one just stuck my head. Baby, you love like nobody else. After sing that song many times. Ruby's my little doll. I got for Christmas. These two today though. This is my first video. Maybe tomorrow. Big block trees, grass, and stuff. That's a big tree, Daddy. Look, there's a tree. Look how big it is. That's huge. That's huge.
So when are we gonna head back, sweetie? No, Caitlin, we don't walk on other people's lawns.
Okay.
That's not our house.
Okay.
Careful, Bubba. Car's coming. Wait. Did you?
Car's coming. The car's coming.
Yeah.
I don't want to get hurt.
That's right.
Please. The car's coming. I want to come. So walk.
Oh.
I think like the road. I do lots of times with nature. Look at the skinny stick right here. Skinny stick. That's a weird stick. Weird stick. Skinny stick. Okay, I'm gonna break it. What else?
How long are we making a video for, sweetie? How long are we gonna make it for?
Just want to get to the end of the back.
Okay.
Wow, look at those trees. Those are huge. I don't want those pop on you. It looks like a pretty good tree.
No, leave those in there, Caitlin. They're in there to mark the electrical box, okay? So you don't take those out. Somebody put those in there specifically.
Somebody put those orange things to mark the electrical for.
Yep.
Well, I'll cut probably to that for sale at least. Ruby wants to do one of her flips. Daddy. Ruby's gonna do one of her flips. Ruby does good flips.
Good job, Ruby.
I've been changing Ruby's name a lot. First it was Jamie, then it was Jules. That sounds like juice. Then I named her, I think Summer. Then I named her Juice. Then I named her Juliet. Then I named her Nev. Then I named her Ruby.
Wait, when did she get named Ruby?
Today.
Is that because Max and Ruby was on earlier?
No, that's because I like the name Ruby.
Oh, okay.
Ruby's gonna steal her coat. Because it's hot outside.
Caitlin, it's not that warm. Leave your coat on, please.
Okay. Okay. Lots of these bugs and stuff. Lots of these flowers and dead flowers and stuff. Look, it says for sale, sold, sold. I don't know why it says that.
Because somebody bought it.
And it's still for sale?
No, it means it's sold. It was for sale and now it's sold. So that's just letting people know that it's now sold.
And it's still
Are we going back now?
Yes.
Okay.
And it's still for sale.
Well, no, it says for sale, sold.
Again, yes, I'm started. Go home. Our Easter had only lasted like 3 minutes. Or 2
You guys were too quick this morning.
Or 2 seconds. Like, wait, tell you what. So, I was woken up so early in the morning. It was like, I woke up at, I think 1 in the morning.
Something like that.
And then, I stayed up for like 2 hours. And then, me and Mason woke up, and I was like, and Mason was like, and Mommy and I were like, wait for us. And I was so slow because I had to close it. Like, my brother like had 20, and I must have had 12. We have to give equal. We gave two of the same ones. So like we made it equal.
I'm still filming.
I see another electric box in it.
That's a cable box, I think.
Cable box. This is our people live. That's my favorite house on it.
Why do you like that one?
Because I have a big backyard, big trees.
And you don't have a big backyard. Can you see the backyard?
Oh, big backyard. Okay. There's lots of sides. Like somebody's playing basketball. There's like on the it's like somebody sitting on that red tree. I think there's something or just resting outside. It's a beautiful day out. Usually when we come to the trees, there's usually like pouring rain or something. And by the way, I got this outfit for Easter. It looks like hard to tie, but it's right on it. No cars? No cars. Well,
We're gonna be a video mostly of your back. You realize, Caitlin, right?
and so I'm almost there. Daddy, why can't you come in front of me then?
I am. Or you want me to walk backwards? Oh, I get to walk backwards, do I?
Yeah.
Well, that sounds like fun.
And wow, that's a huge tree. That's why they have those logs around it. Meadow's heavy. What? She's heavy.
Yeah. Well, and Daddy's walking backwards.
I know. You're both not into a tree. No, you're not. Almost home.
almost back to Grandma and Grandpa's, yeah.
I can see their car. And
Yep.
how many minutes have I stayed out here for?
Well, the video's 10 minutes old, and you were out here probably for 5 minutes before that, so 15?
15 minutes. This is lots of signs of nature.
Are we going inside now?
Down. Back down my street. There's one back on the sidewalk. Ruby just wants to take off her coat.
Okay, look, how about we head inside?
No.
Caitlin.
Okay. I hope you liked my nature tour. Daddy, can you put on the video? Bye.